Samsung will soon have an event called Unpacked to reveal the new Galaxy S24 series, probably next month. They haven't announced the prices yet, but there's a report suggesting that Samsung plans to keep the prices similar to this year's models to remain competitive. The upcoming Galaxy S24 series, which includes a regular, a Plus, and an Ultra model, is expected to be released with prices similar to the Galaxy S23 series. If the information from Hankyung is correct, the Galaxy S24 is expected to be priced at $799, the Galaxy S24 Plus at $999, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra at $1,199 when they go on sale. Keep in mind that versions with more memory will have higher prices. Samsung plans to sell more Galaxy S24 smartphones by keeping the prices the same, hoping to boost sales by 10% in the improving smartphone market. Their goal is to sell at least 33 million units of the Galaxy S24 series. The Galaxy S23 series did really well for Samsung. The Galaxy S23 Ultra was the sixth most popular smartphone globally for a few quarters. The total sales of the Galaxy S23 series have reportedly exceeded 25 million units, and Samsung believes that the Galaxy S24 will sell even more. A recent report from the Alex suggests that Samsung aims to ship more than 35.2 million smartphones from the Galaxy S24 series by the end of the next year. They expect to sell around 13.5 million units of the Galaxy S24, approximately 5.8 million units of the Galaxy S24 Plus, and anticipate higher sales for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, reaching about 15.9 million units. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's main camera, with a whopping 200 megapixel, is said to be provided by Samsung Electronics and Samsung Electromechanics. Other camera components like the 12-megapixel ultra-wide and 10-megapixel telephoto lenses could come from suppliers such as Sunny Optical and Namuga. The 50-megapixel telephoto camera's parts may be supplied by Samsung Electromechanics and Sunny Optical, and the 12-megapixel selfie camera module might come from suppliers like MCNEX and Namuga. In many countries, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus might have the Exynos 2400 processor, while in other countries, they'll have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, however, will only use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor, which has a slightly faster CPU and GPU. All these phones are expected to have brighter screens, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra reaching up to 2,600 nits. They will also offer better performance, improved camera quality, and updated software with various AI features. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.